I really, really want to read this. This is going to be my reward. Or I need a break. I need to go for a walk and clear my head. These are not the same things. I did a video before on closed choice. So today I'm going to talk about the difference between a reward and a break. So a reward is something that we work up to. Many students might use it working for, or they might have something where they get 3 tokens and then they get the reward. And if they don't get those 3 tokens, they don't get the reward. Whereas a break should always be offered. A break is something that the student needs to regulate, and the student needs to go and take time, maybe with a beanbag chair, maybe for a walk. They need to either up-regulate or they need to down-regulate. So a break and a reward are not the same thing, because a reward is something that we work to earn from the work that we do, whereas a break is something that should be offered. Breaks shouldn't necessarily be offered all the time, but we should never lose our option to have a break. The way I think about it is, if a student needs some time to do some heavy work, moving heavy things, and if we know that we don't give them that opportunity for that heavy work, then we get behavioral challenges. Then if we say to them, oh, you haven't done your work, you're not going to get your break. Well, if the break was what allowed them to stay calm and their body to be regulated, then we're essentially making a difficult situation for ourselves, because now we've got a dysregulated student and we're trying to make them do work, and their brain is not ready and it's not prepared. So making sure that we are providing breaks throughout the days. They might be scheduled in, or they might be a choice, or maybe a student might have a card that they give that says, I need a break, and they give it to the adult, and that they get their predetermined 5-minute break. Whereas if it's something they really want to do, that's their motivator, and they can get that once they've done their work. So once again, break, not the same as a reward. And this was brought up to me by someone I was working with today, and it made me realize that this is something that is not often well explained.